大家好，欢迎你们到 Chinese Niger. Hello everyone, welcome you back to the Chinese Niger. Today we are in sentence 126 in our 900 Chinese sentence sharing. Our 126 goes like this. 你在想什么？你在想什么？你在想什么 which means what are you thinking? What are you thinking? Then 127 says, 你今天心情不好吗？你今天心情不好吗 which means are you upset about something? Is your mood not good today? Okay. 128. 我太难过了。我太难过了。我太难过了 which means I feel so depressed. I feel so depressed. Or I'm not feeling so well. Like in the mood, like my mood is not good, kind of. Then 129. 别生气。别生气。别生气 is don't be angry. 生气 is to be angry, so don't don't be angry. And 130 say 我不是那个意思。我不是那个意思。我不是那个意思。我不是那个意思。我不是那个意思。This one is sweet to say 我不是那个意思。我不是那个意思 means what I didn't mean that. That's not what I mean. I didn't mean that. That is not what I mean. Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time. 再见。